I'm Damon with your report on the SkillsUSA District Medalists. The students who participated in SkillsUSA took a 125-question online exam asking them questions about the technical programs, OSHA safety, and SkillsUSA employability questions. The students who medaled gold and silver will go on to states. I would like to recognize each technical program that will be advancing to states. The first technical program that I will announce is Design and Visual. The exam they took is Advertising Design. Carolyn and Dorman placed gold, then Caiden's Mills placed silver. The second exam that students took is Photography. The students that is advancing on to states is Maxwell Mazgelas, placed gold. The second technical program is TV Media in Theater and Arts. The first exam students took was Audio. The first team that advanced to states was Aurora Condor and Connor McCall, who placed gold, then Nick Fischer and Dylan Schenck, who placed silver. The second exam, Digital Cinema Productions, the team that will advance onto states is Mikayla Barrett and Wendy Barrett, who placed silver. The second team that medaled is Meghan Chamberlain and Elsa, who placed bronze. The third technical program, Automotive, the exam was Automotive Science Technology. The students that placed gold is Nathan Balzaldi. The fourth technical program, Advanced Manufacturing, the first exam is CNC Technician. Michael Whiting, who placed gold, Nicholas Moore, who placed silver, and Andrea LeLievre, who placed bronze. All three students will be advancing to states. The second exam is CNC Milling Specialist. The students who medaled is Charlie Gravier, placed bronze. The third exam is CNC Turning Specialist. The students who medaled is John Duggan, who placed bronze. The fifth technical program is Cosmetology. The exam that was taken was Cosmetology. Kaitlyn Landos placed silver, and then PJ Zaferacopoulos placed gold. The sixth technical program is Electrical Technology. The exam that was taken was Industrial Motor Control. Matthew Lynch placed gold. Nicholas Cambridge placed silver. Then the next exam was Telecommunications Cabling. Phoenix Flathawk placed gold. Brianna Hall placed silver. And Gatana Wallace placed bronze. The seventh technical program is Plumbing and Heating. The exam was Plumbing. Sean Driscoll placed silver. The last technical program is Culinary Arts. The exam was Restaurant Service. Trey Dyken placed bronze. States will take place on April 28th, and the students who placed states will travel to Blackstone Valley Technical High School. Congratulations to all the SkillsUSA medalists. Now I'm going to send it back to the ankles in the studio.